guys, and welcome back to my channel for another informative video. Okay, this time is not about a solution for an error or a problem, but it is a very helpful video if you are a new coder or programmer and you want to learn about coding, and you are searching for projects, or you are a student too and you need some projects or ready projects, or you are a student too and you need some projects or ready projects to just get in and present it. So here it is, and let's just check. And so I found this website which is full of coding projects. Alright, let's go and write directory.com and up. Here it is. So find free coding projects. As you can see, Python, JavaScript, Java, blah 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 blah. And here, as you can see, you can go from here, go to projects, or get open source projects. Here also you can find free books, projects with codes, video tutorials, and lots of stuff. Also here you can find the projects for Python, JavaScript, PHP, HTML, and. So let's start with the projects with source code. Whether going up and click here in this button or here in this button, or just select the language that you want to learn. So let's say that we want Python projects. So if we will go here, as you can see, we have a lot of projects. By the way, we do have more. So let's just let's say we want to see this one. Alright, so as you can see here, there's a table of content. You can just read it, and if you want to go to something specific, you just click on it. But here, as you can see, we will find a good explanation for each and every single thing for the code. For example, here you will first of all start with executing these thingies, and then install Flask, for example, and every single thing is in here with codes and with explanation. Also, you can find programming exercises. So if you are still beginner and you want to learn coding from the beginning or programming from the beginning, you can find, for example, let's say we want to get some JavaScript exercises. So as you can see here, these are exercises for variables. So just click on the button and it will be with you. Alright, I don't want to do anything now. Also strings, list, if else, etc. So you will find every single exercise here. Also, you have some free books. There's just for JavaScript and Python, but maybe they will put others. So just keep in touch with this website. It's just amazing. So let's, for example, click here. You will find some books with that you can download, so which is amazing. Alright, so hey, I don't want to. Alright, also they do have some AI tools. Wow. Audio to text generator. Wow. Oh, so you can start the record and then stop it, and it will be everything written. Let's try it. Oh, I think because recording the screen, so that's why I can't record with the same microphone, because it's open. So just do it and see if it is working. Alright, also they do have name generator. So if you want a YouTube name or YouFan, Instagram name, just come here, write the niche. Here you have the list of niches, and then just generate names. Alright, good. But the thing that we do want here and we want to focus on is the coding or projects with source code. So you can find bunch of projects, like for example in here, if we will go, let's see if they do have code. C# C, the language C, here with C++, the same with Python. Wow, it's good. Wow, there is a giveaway promo code to book 10. Wow, let's see it. Let's see it together now. Oh, I think it's a promo code. Wow, save up to 10%. Wow, alright, let me keep it open. I will see it. Alright, as I told you, this website is super amazing. It is crystal clear. Look here with the explanations. So every single thing is explained. You will never ever get a code like just a code. No, you will find every single explanation for each step. So this is our website for today. I just wanted to share with you this website because I know if you're still a beginner or a student and you want to find projects, so you will search and search and search and then you can't find anything. So here it is, try it and then just tell me. So thank you for watching again, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. So bye bye, see you in